Hi, this is Jody from TeachtopiaTV with a brief tutorial on how to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Well, there's a formula for doing this, and we're going to go over that formula right now. So we're looking at the rectangle right here, and let's give it some values for each side. So there's 4 sides in any rectangle. So we're going to give it some value. We're going to say this is 6 centimeters. This side is 6 centimeters. Remember, opposing sides have the same value. And then here we have 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. Now, in order to find the perimeter, we have to add the sum of the 4 sides. So let's look at each side. One side is 6, another side is 6, another one is 4, another one is 4. So we have one little addition problem here. Let's go ahead and set that up. We have 6 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 4 is what? 16, plus another 4 is 20. 20 what? 20 centimeters. So the perimeter of this rectangle here is 20 centimeters. Now, the values could change, but the formula remains the same. The perimeter of a rectangle, which is a type of polygon, close figure, is the sum of the 4 sides. So it's sum 1, 2, 3, and 4 sides. So let's do them actually in sequence. 1, 2, 3, and 4 sides. This is Jody from TeachtopiaTV. See you soon on another video.